Alright, we're gonna comb her hair out, make sure all the loose hair is out. She was rooted by Slay by Lee for me, and she did an amazing job. She is one of the giveaway Reborns. She helped me root them so that I would be able to do the giveaway that was sponsored by B Loves Life. Okay, hold on, y'all. And then I always comb it out, and then I will, girl. I will wash their hair so I can assemble them. Alright, so that is her, y'all. Look at her. Curly whirly. Girly whirly. Look at that curly hair, y'all. Okay. There she go. The TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit the like button one at a time. Right, girl. Clean my hair, TT. Clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Clean my hair, TT. Clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Ding dong. Sorry, y'all. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Clean my hair. Clean my hair, TT. Clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Alright, girl. I think we got it all good. Yep, we don't got no more suds. We don't got no more suds. Alrighty. Alright, she is ready for assemble. Ooh. That's it. Alrighty. Oh, TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh. Unlimited fun. Oh, Reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog, maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in. Break it down. Oh. Mm.